Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is your Nuni Chef from the Philippines. I am craving for Korean food today. It is something spicy with tofu and hot broth. Can you guess it? Come with me, let's buy some ingredients, and don't worry, I will share this simple recipe in the description box. For those who just tuned in, my first Korean food favorite is kimchi alongside with the samgyeopsal. Others may not like it because of the odor and spiciness, but yes, I love kimchi. I have tried making homemade kimchi with napa cabbage and cucumber. You can check the link below. Like in the K-drama, I can eat rice and kimchi for a meal. So with no further ado, let's start cooking, and this is my own K-culture experience at home. For the ingredients, kimchi, firm tofu, 2 cans of tuna, spring onions, chili powder, salt and pepper, garlic and ginger, fish sauce, brown sugar. Let's prepare the other ingredients. We mince the garlic. Cut the spring onions diagonally. Juice the ginger, but for me, I chop it. Cut the tofu in equal parts. That makes 8 pieces. But for others, they fry the tofu to add texture. Add oil on the wok or pan. Add the tuna. For me, I cook in 2 batches. Spicy tuna for me and not spicy for my dad. Afterwards, add the kimchi. Add garlic and ginger. Add 2 to 3 cups of water as you desire. Simmer for 2 minutes. Our tuna is already cooked as well as with kimchi, so we don't have to prolong the cooking. Don't forget to taste the broth. Add fish sauce, salt and pepper to taste. When too much spicy, add some sugar. Add the tofu, simmer for another 2 minutes. Add the spring onions. Serve it hot with rice and extra kimchi. 잘 먹겠습니다. And now, here are some of my home-cooked Korean food. Takchok, topochurim, songpyeon.